It's time for you to change how you work, so you can live life to the fullest. Learn about methods of working online, no nonsense. Straightforward and simplistic explanations of the methods. 120 pages containing 23,500 plus words, covering 24 core methods and over 36 ways to earn from them. Looking to learn the methods of how to work online? You're not alone. The hardest aspects of getting started with learning to work on the internet, is knowing what niche to explore first and the uncertainty of what to expect from investing your time, and secondly the amount of information overload from doing your research. These points can be overwhelming, especially if you are unsure of which sources to trust information from and overall you have zero knowledge of the basics of earning money online. So, how does this guide help you find the best way to potentially make money from home? Firstly, by giving you clear structured information on each of the 24 methods, on where to start, things to be aware of and any further reading. There is also a snippet for each method highlighting whether any investment is needed, difficulty, the time to set up and time on returns. The introduction part of the ebook covers in detail, education on the kind of starting expectations you should have with earning money online. Incredibly important insights mentioned from our own experiences, on stumbling blocks and situations you will more than likely find yourself in. Topics covered in the Method to Make Money Online the ebook. Understanding Internet Marketing Golden Rules to Making Money Online, how to use the information within effectively, the simple ingredients to earning money online, how to set yourself up for a better chance of making it, expectations you should have, hurdles you should expect and be aware of, audiences you can build, and beginner points on how to do so. The 24 core working online methods covered: eBay flipping, sell professional services, website flipping, website creation and selling, niche content, website, blogging, domain flipping, graphic design, photography and videography, e-commerce store for your brand, fulfillment by Amazon, print on demand, affiliate marketing, YouTuber, Twitch streaming, trading, forex, stocks and cryptocurrency interest, email/newsletter list marketing, subscription business, selling your knowledge via educational products, freelance, independent recruiter, freelance travel agent, middleman, connecting client work for freelancers, Instagram and Facebook accounts, selling transcribe audio and interviews, podcast and advertising, commission only sales jobs on AngelList, as well as useful resources, internet marketing forums, useful tools, take action, save valuable time on research and discover the untapped knowledge inside on the best way to learn to work online for yourself.